How to cancel Robinhood application. If you want to quit using the Robinhood application, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. Now click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account and you'll see this home page. If you want to quit this application, you need to firstly quit. There is not specific buttons to exit from this application. So for an iPhone user, simply swipe up your screen from the bottom and you will be leaded to the home page. If you want to remove it from your current app, then simply swipe up from bottom of your screen and hold it for a second, and you'll see that Robinhood app is currently running. Simply swipe up this screen and it will be removed. For Android user, you can just click on the home screen button and it will lead you to home screen. So this is how you cancel Robinhood application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.